Hello, welcome to my channel. I keep forgetting to look. I'm looking at myself when I need to look in the camera. So today, welcome to learn. I'm new, it's my channel, I'm sorry. Welcome to Learn, Laugh, Live with Lisa. My name is Lisa Lanaola, CEO of Lanaola LLC. You can find me at lisalanaola.com. That is my website. So today is going to be a fun day. We're going to be laughing because I'm going to be sharing my wigs with you. Okay, I'm a wig girl. I have to say it. I'm a wig girl. This is a wig. I wear a lot of wigs, whatever. It is what it is. And I'm just going to share them with you because, listen, I am here to make you laugh. I'm here to make you learn. And then I'm going to tell you to go out there and live your life, right? So let's laugh together. Why not? I don't care, right? So today we're going to be laughing. So I'm going to pull this one off. So don't be alarmed when I pull my wig off, and we're going to be changing different wigs just to show you all that it is. So let's get into my real hair. So this is my hair. This is my hair. I got a short haircut because I was just tired of dealing with my hair and I wanted something short. And that was that. So it's graying because, like I said, I'm a little bit older, you know, not too old, but my family members, the women in my family, we do gray early. So at 16, in my teenage years, I had some spots of gray. In my 20s and then 30s, I got a patch of white hair, but I do dye it. I use henna dye to dye my hair because the regular dye is like harsh on my scalp, the chemicals. I'm still trying to find something that works on my scalp that doesn't like dry it out and give me like breakouts and all this kind of stuff. But right now I'm using henna. I would love to bleach it, like make it blonde and stuff, but it's like the dyes, they just don't work with my scalp. So I'm still trying to figure that out, but I do use henna dye, and I'm actually gonna dye it later on today. I probably should do a video about that. That's a good one. So I might do the henna dye just to show you how it is on the camera. So that's a good idea. It just came to me. But anyway, I dye my hair like a light brown. So it's usually like all light brown sometimes. So that's that. So this is my actual hair and I love it. I wear it out. I wear it like every day. Sometimes if I don't want to put a wig, I will wear my regular hair and I'm not ashamed of it. I love it. My brother-in-law, he's a barber, so he shapes me up. So I got a good shape up. Everything is all nice and, you know, look at me. Just so cute. So that is my hair, my real hair. Then I put on these. This is for people who don't know that about wigs. We're teaching you about wigs today, right? So this is a wig cap. We put it on before. I actually don't have to wear it because I have short hair, but I don't, sometimes, you know, I'm just so used to it. So this is a wig cap. I put that on before I put on my wigs. So let's start with my handy dandy wig that I wear. I'll tell you about it once I put it on, right? So start by putting it on. Make sure that the part is where I want it. Then I have my brush. So I have my brush. I brush it up, make it whatever it is. I like it. My daughter does not like this wig. Know what? My mom doesn't like this wig. My sister, they're like, no, this wig has to go. But I like big hair. I don't like it when it's flat and sleek. I mean, I could try one of those, but I like when hair is like big because my face is like a little roundish. So I like when it's a little bit bigger. So I like this wig. And it was only, I think it was like $50 or $60. It was what I could afford. I got it when I just bought my house. I have this house and we just bought it. I ain't have a lot of money. I had to put down payments and all that. So I got what I could afford. I went to the beauty supply store it wasn't in my neighborhood, but the next one over. And I got this wig and it's just straight and I love it, but nobody else seems to like it. Let me know. This is wig number 1. Do you like this wig? Okay, because this is, I'm a fan. Let me get a close up so you can see it. Yeah, it's like, you know, It's not too high. I try to put it flat down. I could tie it to make it a little bit flatter, but how do I look with this wig? Do you guys like it? Tell me your honest opinion, because my daughter, my mother, and my sister, they always tell me their honest opinion. They're like, this wig, they didn't like it, but I'm like, this is what I could afford and I love it. So tell me if you like it. So that's my first one. I'm like posing like, okay. I could see myself. I could see you in this, please. Okay, so that's wig number 1, right? So we're doing wig. The next one, I got this from my friend Semi. She was selling them, and then I think somebody gifted it to me or something. I don't know. I don't remember how I got it, but it'll be wig number 2. It's a braided wig. How is it on the outside? I'm trying to figure out this wig. Okay, anyway, so let's do it. Let's put it on. And then I wear this. I haven't worn it in a while. My daughter also does not like this wig. Because I never could get like the part right, all of that kind of stuff. But it is like that. It's like that much. And then the color, it's a little bit dark brown, blondish at the ends. But that's the wig. That's the wig right there. Sometimes I like tie it back and I go like this. And I think I'm cute. Like, you know, I try to rock it in different ways. Let me know if y'all like this one. So this is the second one. It's a braided wig. It's like twists. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's that. So like it's twist on there. So that's wig number 2. This is wig number 3. I have yet to wear this wig anywhere. Okay, let me tell you about wig. So the wig comes with like lace at the front. It's a lace front wig, and the top is like lace so that when the part is there, it's lace, right? So, I haven't worn this wig out because I like curly wigs. So I was like, okay, let me try this curly wig, and I did get it, but it's so long. I need somebody to shape it, and I just never got around to it, but I'll try it on for you guys. So this is wig number 3. This is wig number 3. I know, it's so weird. They're like, you probably have never seen somebody take wigs on and off on camera, but that's fine. I am not ashamed of my life. I'm telling you right now, like, I'm gonna be trying so many things on YouTube for you guys. You guys gonna be like, oh my gosh. Yes, I'm not afraid to try new things and to be daring and to just go outside the box. It's who I am. So this is wig number 3. So I would cut this lace off, right? And that's how I would wear it, just like this. So do you guys like it? Let me know if you like it. I have never worn it out in public. Tell me if you like it. And maybe I will start wearing it, because I don't know. It was just, for some reason, it was just kind of long here, and it just, I don't know. It didn't work well with me. I don't know. I need somebody to fix it up for me. For some reason, it just didn't. And I think this wig was maybe $50, $60. It wasn't more than $100. I know that for a fact. So that's that. So this is wig number 3, right? So then this was wig number 4. I didn't wear this wig either. I don't know. I ordered it online and it just didn't send it back. We'll see when you'll see when I put it on. This is why I didn't wear this wig. It was just, First of all, look at this. What is that? It's like they didn't even give you a part. I don't know. I cannot order wigs online because this is what happens. It looks good on the person wearing it, and then you order it, and then you have to do all this styling. And I'm not a stylist. So maybe if I get somebody to like give me bangs bangs here, and then maybe I don't know. I just never wore this wig because of this. Like, it's just, what is this? What is this, people? Tell me if y'all like this. Tell me what I can do for this. I don't even know what to do. I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know how to cut, how to style. Because the thing is, I like curls. Like I told you, I like big hair. So I got this because it was really, really curly. But I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this, people? What really? So tell me if you like it. Tell me what to do with it, how to wear it. Just tell me. I don't even know. So that's wig number 4. And now we have my newbie, which I am loving. Love this wig. Love this wig. Like I said, I love big hair. Maybe I'll get somebody to cut it and shape it. Because I like it like it is. But like maybe I can get it to like, I don't know. Maybe we'll leave it. Let's leave it for a while. And then we'll figure it out after that. So this is the wig. I won't tell you where it's from because I just got it, so I'm still testing it out, so I can't make any recommendations for it. I can tell you it was more than $100. It is really good hair. Like, it's the quality of the hair, it's so soft. This is a good wig. I paid a good price for this because it was really, really good. And I'm loving it. I'm loving the wig. I like the way it looks. I love big hair. Because my face is, like I said, my face is kind of round. So it shapes my face and it makes my face a little bit, seem a little bit smaller. So that's that. And you're able to, and it's human hair. So those are all synthetic. Each one of these are synthetic, but this one is human hair, and don't know the name of it, forgot all that. But you can wet this hair, put all sorts of products in this hair. You can do all sorts of stuff with this hair, which is really, really good. So this is my favorite hair, although I'm loving my first one because it took me where I needed to go. You know what I mean? Like, I was able to afford that wig at the time, and I was able to use it multiple times. If you go to my Instagram page at Lisa Lanaola on Instagram, most of my videos and everything has that wig in it. So, but like I said, I'm not ashamed of my own hair. I do wear my own hair every day. And that's that. So let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you do wear wigs. And just anything that you want to talk about in the comments, share with me, because I will be commenting, responding back to each and every commenter. I love you, and thanks for laughing with me today. I promise to give you more laughter and more learning as the time goes by. Thank you for tuning in to Learn, Laugh, Live with Lisa. My name is Lisa Lanaola from lisalanaola.com, the CEO of Lanaola LLC. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and comment and share. Share this video with a friend. I love you. New videos released every Thursday. I'm going to come to you every Thursday with a way to learn or a way to laugh or both. So learn, laugh, live with me. So today we laughed. I hope you laugh because I'm still laughing. So go out there and live your life. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in. Love ya. Bye.